Presenting the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.